Have you completed your BSc, MSc, B.Pharm, M.Pharm or medical and still looking for a high-paying job? It may sound surprising, but the fact is most colleges and institutes are not aware about the ever-growing clinical research field. It is one of the fastest growing fields in the healthcare industry. But while most clinical research institutes focus only on theory, hardly anyone offers hands-on training. And that's where we are different. We have collaborated with the top hospitals in India. Hi, I'm Dr. Vijay Kumar. When you join ClinverseEdge, you are not just learning, you are getting an opportunity to conduct live trials at premier institutes and get industry-ready skills and expert mentorship, all part of your training. And the best part, you don't need to spend another 1 to 2 years to get started. This is a 6 months career-focused, industry-recognized course. We have already trained hundreds of students who are now working in top pharma companies in well-paying and respected roles. You attend a live online classes from home, but your training happens inside the real world of healthcare. Our courses are industry-oriented, affordable, and built to get you job ready fast. So if you are keen on building a career in clinical research, pharmacovigilance, or medical writing, let's talk. Book a free one-on-one counseling call with our team. No pressure, just a real, honest guidance about your future in clinical research.